Hi, and welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Monday, November 3rd, the day before the big presidential election, and the market's basically on hold. And it's like waiting for the jury to come back with the verdict, or you're waiting for the Federal Reserve to whether they're going to lower rates or raise rates. And so it's one of those situations where everyone's just sitting around waiting to see what the outcome is going to be. But, regardless of who wins the election, I think stocks are poised to rally. There may be some sort of a little emotional jiggle initially, but the plan is to buy weakness. And even though the Dow averages and some of the big averages really didn't do much today, it was a seesaw back and forth. That was to be expected. But individual stocks continue to make some pretty impressive moves on the day. They're down so much, they're just starting to kick back now. So I still see buyers around. I know there's buyers in the wings just waiting for the election to happen. And I think there's a heck of a lot more buyers around in the marketplace than there are sellers. So I just think the market is sold out pretty much, at least for the next, for the next rally we're going to get. So with that in mind, I'm going to bring two more new ideas tonight, and then after tonight, we will go back to one call a night. So the two for tonight are Brunswick, BC is the symbol, and Flextronics, FLEX. And then we'll take a look at ONNN, which we bought this morning, closed very nicely, and DTG, which we bought. I had to pay up for it because everybody else was buying it, and it just wouldn't come in. So, like I said, some of these stocks are moving quickly. And if you don't move with them, you're liable to miss some of them. So I paid up, and I'm happy. I'm glad I did, and I just like the way the stock acts. So without further ado, let's go take a look at Brunswick, BC, and FLEX. So don't go away. I'll be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of Brunswick. The symbol is BC. I've tried a new format out this evening. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but this will be our experiment. This is a call on the long side. We're looking to buy this stock tomorrow right around $3.60, right where it closed. My target is this first resistance area right here, which is $9.50. It's this old low over here. Sell stop would be a close below that level right there, which is $2.76. What do I see? Well, first of all, I am absolutely amazed that this company, Brunswick, which is an old line manufacturing company, is trading at these levels. I'm shocked it's down here. I just think it's one of these stocks that they just threw out the window with everything else. Ascending triangle. Let me zoom in so we can see it a little bit better. Okay, ascending triangle. That would be our first breakout. I think we got it today. And that's basically what I see is the ascending triangle. Plus the fact that it looks so cheap to me, this stock. So let me recap that. That's BC, Brunswick Corporation. Let's call on the long side. And I think we could probably make ourselves close to $6 on this trade. This would be a 200% return on our money. Look at this. I'm amazed that it's trading down here at these levels. Okay, let's go take a look at FLEX. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of FLEX. This is also a call on the long side. We'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow, just around $4.30, right where it closed. My target is 9. This is an area, it could be like 8.50 to 9. This whole area up here is the first real resistance area, and I think it's going to try and get back up there again. Sell stop closed below $3.66. So we're risking maybe 60 cents to try and make ourselves like $5. Okay, what do I see? Well, ascending triangle. See it? And that's the top we're going to look to break out of. So I just believe that this formation is the beginning of a turn that will take us back up here to our resistance area of around $9. So let me recap that again. That's FLEX. It's a call on the long side. And when it's all said and done, we probably make ourselves about $4 or $4.50 even on this trade. Okay, let's go take a look at the two stocks that we bought this morning. Okay, we're looking at DTG. This is I paid $1.90 for this. This is the one that kind of gapped up this morning. Hoping it would come in a little bit. I always like to get some cheap stock, but that wasn't the case. And the picture is just good looking. So I wasn't going to let it get away. So I paid $1.90. Closed at $1.91. But the picture's still very bullish looking picture here we've got going. And that's our target we expect to break out of. It could take another day or two. I mean, it could back and fill for a few more days before it gets through. But once it gets through this resistance area here, we're going to be on our way. Okay, let's go take a look at ONNN. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ONNN. Bought this morning at $5.12. Closed at $5.34. And it's got just another good looking picture here. Looking for the breakout above this. Maybe tomorrow. If not tomorrow, the day after. And we've got this ascending triangle going. See it? This would be our breakout price. So this is looking good. We'll put this into our portfolio, and yeah, this could take a couple of weeks before it gets to our target. But the picture is there, and so we're just going to sit back and let it ride. All right, let's go take a look at the averages. Not a lot happened, but we'll look at them anyway. Okay, we're looking at the Dow, and like I said, not a whole lot happened. That's our resistance, and I want to say we're through, but I'd feel more comfortable we get up in here, which I believe is going to happen. The reason why nothing's happening is because of the election tomorrow, so we're just going to have to sit and wait. Let's go take a look at the transports. Okay, the Dow transports, they're sticking their nose through the resistance area. I don't see any sign of weakness. So let's go take a look at the Russell 2000. Okay, the Russell 2000 trying to extend its rally, and I think it's doing a pretty good job. This is the area we're trying to get through. Let's go look at the SPYs. Okay, this is the SPY, basically Standard & Poor's 500. This is also our resistance area that we need to get through. For me to actually say we've actually got a base built, a boxy base, and we need to get through this. And I just think it's going to happen. So just a matter of patience. And finally, let's go take a look at the QQQQs. Okay, the QQQs. Daily bar. We're just waiting for this breakout, and the reason why I'm pretty confident it's going to happen is, once again, I'm going to revert back to the fact that the individual stocks, are just acting so well, and some of them are having really big moves. Stocks are up, once again, they're up 10, 15, 20% in one day. So I just get the feel that the market is sold out, and there are buyers around. We just got to wait for this election to be over and let it sink in for a day or two, and then I think we'll be focused more on other things than the election. Okay, so that's my view of the market. Until tomorrow, this is TK signing off.